Hey you guys, and welcome back to Atoya at Home. Let me put y'all right at my angle. Is that better? I hope so. Alright, once again, hey you guys, and welcome back to Atoya at Home. Today we'll be doing a cook with me. It's part of a fall dessert collab, and I'll be cooking my favorite cake. So, my favorite cake is a carrot cake, and I got the perfectly moist carrot cake from Duck and Hines, and here are the directions. And this cake will have some almonds in it, some crushed almonds, and some raisins in it. But that's the way I like it. I like it with some nuts and some raisins. And so we're excited to do this. Thank you so much for once again hosting this collab, Small Town 6. Tiffany, I really appreciate you. I'm getting to learn you and getting to know you as a friend on YouTube, and I really appreciate you doing these collabs. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Don't forget to go ahead and click the playlist in the description box below, where all our fun ladies will have all types of fall desserts for you to get started for Thanksgiving or just for fall. You know, it's around that time. It's carrot time, it's root time, you know, it's around harvest time. It's time for you to harvest your fruits and your veggies, and that's why I want to do the carrot cake. So once again, my name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Ray, Mamie, and Ezekiel. We have 4 pets and a fish. We got 2 fish now. In a new cleaning video, y'all get to meet Mike and Molly from my favorite TV show. And yes, so we're so excited to get started. So let's go ahead and get started with this stuff. Let's go ahead and roll that intro and then get started.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Atoya at Home. We are a family of 5, and we are that family that loves life and having fun and giving you the motivation and inspiration to live your life abundantly with God's love. Today we're doing a cook and clean with me with Small Town 6 hosting the collab. Tiffany, thank you so much once again. We're just getting ready to cook my favorite cake, which is carrot cake. And so it's always been my favorite. And so we have some raisins and some crushed almonds that I use in my husband's grinder. And I'm so excited to be able to do this with you. You will see a mistake. I put too much oil in it, but so I had to double up on my water. But it still came out good and moist though. Enjoy the rest of the video. As you can see, we got the eggs, we got the cake mix, vegetable oil, of course some cream cheese, frosting, the utensils, we got some raisins and some almonds, we got the mixing and the grinder. Alright you guys, I'm back real quick. I just want to remind y'all to make sure that y'all watch the video all the way through to see the end result of the cupcakes. As I said, you're getting a little bit of kitchen clean today also with us today. And so remember to watch all the way through. Remember to like and remember to comment down below who you are and where you're from. And yeah, you know I like to talk to y'all in the comments below to get to know y'all and to get to learn y'all. It's just something that, you know, I like to do. I like to meet new people. And so yeah, so I just want to thank y'all thank y'all so much. Just a quick little tidbit. I am a military brat, and I am also a veteran's wife. So yes, that's a little tidbit. Y'all have a good night, and I'll be right back with y'all towards the end of the video. Just go ahead and listen to the music, and everything else is self-explanatory.
Got this. scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you from the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it out. It's your time, oh. Cheers to all the haters, 'cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you from the inside out. It's time to say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it out. It's your time, oh. If you're on the bus, say yeah. Yeah. If you're on the train, say yeah. Yeah. If you gotta walk, say yeah. Yeah. Everybody's going somewhere. Yeah. Young or old, I really don't care. Yeah. Life has never really been fair. Yeah. So put your fist up in the air. Yeah. Say yeah. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to.
All right, you guys, so as we are nearing the end of this video, I'm showing you how small these mini cupcakes are. As a lot of you know, I have gotten the sleeve surgery and I can't eat but so much. But these little mini cupcakes are just enough to get my sweet tooth just the way it needs to be. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video all the way through. And I want to thank y'all so much for just being here. And don't forget to click the description box down below to click the playlist for all the other wonderful ladies. And as always, we will see you on the tube. Y'all be blessed and y'all have a good night.